This is where the journey of sound begins. For over 30 years, this factory has quietly shaped the way the world hears sound. Inside, decades of experience guide every movement of man and machine. Before machines begin, human judgment ensures uncompromising quality. Every powerful speaker begins as simple, carefully selected materials.
If we adjust the damping factor here, the frequency curve smooths out significantly.
That aligns perfectly with the parameters from the 8500 series.
Every material rests in carefully controlled conditions before entering production. These copper strands will soon carry the energy of sound. These components will shape how sound waves travel through air. Even the air is controlled to protect the future quality of sound. These magnets will control the motion that produces sound. Now, the journey toward transformation truly begins. Here, copper wire is transformed into the delicate heart of the speaker, the voice coil. Layer by layer, the coil is formed with microscopic accuracy. Every strand is guided with absolute precision before becoming part of the coil. Heat and insulation prepare the coil for years of vibration and performance. Now, the heart of the speaker moves forward to meet its magnetic force. Each coil is inspected to ensure absolute dimensional perfection. Here, the magnetic core of the speaker begins to take shape. A precise bond forms the foundation of magnetic strength. This tiny gap will define the accuracy of sound movement. Patience here guarantees long-term magnetic stability. The magnetic core now moves forward to meet the speaker frame. Heat and pressure give the cone its precise acoustic form.
The viscosity is stable at 4.2.
Good. We can start the transfer to the molding stage.
Flexibility here allows the cone to breathe with sound. Uniform thickness ensures balanced sound vibration. A perfect seal prevents air leaks and unwanted vibration. The diaphragm is now ready to become part of the speaker's voice. This small component will control the stability of every vibration. A precise bond here ensures controlled vertical motion. Perfect alignment prevents unwanted friction inside the speaker.
The voice coil is carefully lowered into the tiny magnetic gap where it will operate. This microscopic space defines the precision of sound movement.
Even a fraction of a millimeter matters at this stage. Now, the heart of the speaker is perfectly stabilized within its frame.
These metal frames will hold every component of the speaker in perfect alignment.
Protection today ensures performance for years to come.
Even the smallest edge is refined for internal safety and precision. Precision here guarantees perfect component fitting later.
The structure now gains its solid foundation.
The frame is now ready to receive the moving parts of the speaker. Two precisely prepared parts now meet to form the moving voice of the speaker.
This bond will transfer every vibration directly into the cone.
A perfect seal prevents air leaks and vibration noise.
Alignment here ensures distortion-free sound later.
Time now strengthens the bonds that carry sound. The speaker now begins to look complete, ready for its final connections.
A small component with a critical protective role.
These wires will carry the audio signal into motion.
Clean solder joints ensure long-lasting electrical reliability.
Now the speaker is electrically alive and physically protected.
Before testing, the speaker must pass a careful human inspection. Even the smallest imperfection can affect sound performance. This simple test reveals hidden alignment problems.
Cleanliness prevents interference during performance testing. Only perfectly assembled units are allowed to proceed to testing. Now the speaker must prove its electrical precision.
Every signal path is now connected for analysis.
Sound is now measured with scientific precision. The cone responds as electrical energy becomes motion. Numbers now reveal the internal health of the speaker. Only speakers that pass every parameter can move forward. Now the speakers enter a phase of continuous operation to stabilize their moving parts. Constant signals prepare the speakers for real-world performance. This motion helps the suspension components reach their optimal flexibility. Continuous monitoring ensures stable operation throughout the process. Hidden defects often reveal themselves during this endurance phase. Now stabilized, the speakers are ready for critical listening tests. Here, absolute silence allows only the true sound of the speaker to be heard.
Perfect positioning ensures accurate acoustic readings.
From low bass to high treble, every frequency is examined.
The curve must match the design standard perfectly. Every sound wave is captured and analyzed with precision.
Only speakers with perfect sound performance move forward.
Beyond machines, human ears deliver the final judgment.
A trusted reference system reveals the true character of the sound.
Music reveals what measurements cannot.
Trained ears detect the smallest imperfections.
Each frequency range must sound natural and balanced.
With human approval, the speaker is ready for its final stage. Every speaker carries the mark of its origin. Every speaker carries the mark of its origin. Each speaker's QR code is scanned into the factory database for full production history tracking. This number uniquely identifies the speaker forever.
With identity complete, the speaker is ready for safe packaging.
Soft layers guard the delicate parts within. Custom support ensures the speaker cannot move during transport. Now the speaker is fully protected within its shell. The speaker is now ready for its journey in branded packaging. Now the speakers are grouped for large-scale distribution. Extra protection ensures safety from every direction.
Strong sealing keeps the shipment intact through long journeys. Uniform stacking prevents collapse during shipping.
Now the shipment is secured as a single solid unit. Organized storage ensures efficient and safe dispatch later. From production to storage, the journey moves closer to shipment. Digital tracking keeps every shipment accounted for. The final stage inside the factory is now complete. Now the speakers begin their journey beyond the factory walls. Carefully handled, the shipment approaches its transport vehicle. Balanced placement ensures stability throughout the journey.
Securing the load protects the products from transit shocks.
From factory floors to global roads, the journey begins. Carrying precision sound, the speakers head toward the world.
After a long journey, the speakers reach their distribution point.
Clear the pallet, we have 3 more coming.
Already on it.
Make sure they are labeled correctly.
Engineering, precision, and care now transform into beautiful sound. From raw materials to refined sound, a journey of precision, passion, and performance.